Hi everyone. Today I'm going to look at using YouTube's live streaming feature. These can either be scheduled or stream now broadcasts. Let's get started. Access to live streaming is through the Creator Studio or the Upload button. YouTube provides a checklist of steps to follow, including a list of verified encoders. I've chosen Wirecast Play. The encoder setup information you need is down near the bottom of the page. There are a couple of stream options and optimization selections available. If you have enabled fan funding in your channel setup, you can add a card. I'll explain that in the video on monetization. First, we'll look at Go Live. Go to Output Settings. Click Authenticate, and you will be logged into YouTube. Click OK. Next, choose your media source. The default is your webcam, but you can also choose a video or image from your computer. Now, when I click Stream, I can see my live broadcast on YouTube. There is a bit of a time delay. I can also choose to record the broadcast to my computer. Click Stream again to end the broadcast. Now, let's schedule an event. In the live streaming menu, choose Events, then New Live Event. It's a bit confusing because YouTube calls all broadcasts live events, whether they are aired immediately or scheduled for later. Name, description, tags, you know how to do that. Choose a date and time to start the broadcast. You can add an end time if you like. While all Stream Now airings are public, you can make a scheduled event unlisted or private. For a scheduled event, you can use the encoder you downloaded or Google Hangouts on Air. I'll use my encoder, Wirecast Play. Click Create Event. Next, choose a thumbnail for your event. Choose Basic or Custom Ingestion. Broadcasting the event with an encoder is the same as for a live event. Open your encoder, choose the output settings, and the event you will be broadcasting. If you broadcast using Google Hangouts on Air, you don't need to set any encoding options. When it's time, just go into Events and start your Hangout. YouTube's live streaming provides another option for creating live broadcasts. You cannot monetize them like you would with, say, Webinar Jam Studio, but there are certainly times when it's a viable option. In my next presentation, I'll look at the Video Manager. Thanks for watching.